See how the water is floating on the salt here? Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, I'm Corban and that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing the salt and freshwater experiment, so stay tuned. First we have one glass here. It has ice and water in it. Now I'm going to add a few drops of food coloring to the ice water. Now stir it. Now we have red water. Now I have another glass of ice water here. Now I'm going to add salt to the clear glass of water. Now stir it. Now I'm going to add green food coloring to this one. Now stir it. The food coloring stayed on the salt.
Yeah, it's not going to the bottom like the red one, right?
See how the water is floating on the salt here? When salt is dissolved in water, it's like the ocean. Salt adds mass to the water and makes it denser. That's why it's easier to float in the ocean, because it's salty. This is our fresh water and this is our salt water. I hope you like this experiment. Make sure to watch our other videos down below and remember to subscribe. Bye! See you in the next video. Bye!